Hi. Welcome to the Car View channel. Please subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thank you. GM said Chevrolet Bolt and Bolt EUV entered production again in early April. With Bolt fires, withdrawals, and termination of receding production, Chevrolet is ready to tidy up a small electric hole. It began with Bolt EUV-2023 getting the Redline Edition. The close appearance package of many ICE-powered Chevy will be available in Mosaic Black Metal, Silver Flare Metal, and the Peak White exterior color. The rest of the kit includes the black and red Bolt EUV badge, the red accent on the mirror lid, the 17-inch exclusive black aluminum wheel with red accents, and the black jet interior with red accent stitches. Redline Suite is available for 2 trims of Bolt EUV, LT and Premium. At present, getting a leather seat in LT means choosing a $1,695 comfort package that also installed ventilation of the front row chair and automatic rearview mirror. Depending on how the Redline package is valued, it can be a good offer for some LT buyers. Chevy has not announced a change for standard Bolt EUV, so we are not sure whether a smaller variant will offer the same item. We know that EUV will offer Super Cruise, chips willing, and there is a new red coat radiant for standard EUV and EUV. Powertrain is expected to continue to change. The 65 kWh battery package makes a single-motor juice on the front axle that produces 200 horsepower and 266 pounds of torque, good for a range of 247 miles with full charge. Vehicle prices have not been disclosed. Bolt EUV 2022 worth $34,495 after the destination fee of $995. We will not be surprised because there is no change in MSRP, at least to start, with a car maker aimed at attracting attention back to the star of the star electricity. The GM authority said Bolt EUV Chevy advertising spending would be the second after the Silverado ranks, which were great encouragement.